less is more, for sure. Just clean. That clean girl aesthetic is staying, I think, for at least a little bit longer.
The trend is definitely the ombre lips. I love the ombre lips.
I think the darker lip liner with like a clearer nude lip gloss is definitely coming back. I know that was really popular like in the 80s, early 90s.
The ombre lips with the gloss. Now, I'm more of like a matte type girl, but I do like the gloss as well. It changes with the outfit depending on what you're wearing. And also I like the natural look, the bronzy look. I think that's going to be trending as well.
Los colores brillosos y por eso amo las sombras líquidas en el tono pink con ese toquecito de brillo que te hacen ver más espectacular.
Brown tones and
natural
like
the
colors.
more natural colors.
Yeah. And I love those colors because it make you look more natural and it's gorgeous.
People are just more aware of what's going on and what's being put on their bodies, and so I feel like paring it back to why they need what they need and keeping it simple. Peach, was it like fuzzy peach is in, and we're gonna start to see some of those brighter colors. And then I also feel like we're gonna do like a no makeup type look.
El neutral, los colores mate.
I did hear like the really girly pink cheeks are really in right now, so I think you can't go wrong with that. And more of like a natural look. And the boosters, I think like one of the trends this year is like really customizing your skincare. So they're loving all those things you can add in to make it specific for them.
Well, that's one of the best part about having like a Mary Kay beauty consultant, because we can cater to you and be there for you. Yeah.